Hi, it's Cassie from Modern Marketing Spark. I was asked this morning how you link your personal profile on Facebook to your business page. So I'm going to make a quick video just to show you how to do that. So I'm logged into Facebook, I'm in my personal profile. You can tell that because I've obviously got a personal picture and my name's up at the top here. And here I've got a link to my Modern Marketing Spark business page. You can see that's a hyperlink when I roll over it there. Now, if you haven't got your business page connected and you roll over your business place there, you'll just get the blank page with the little suitcase, and you don't want that because nobody can find you that way. So what you need to do is you need to go to your About tab, and then you go to Work and Education, and you can see here it says Add a Workplace. So if I didn't already have Modern Marketing Spark, this would be blank, but I'm going to add a new workplace. I'm going to add the social media hangouts that Lisa and I are running together. Now there's a couple of ways you can put your information in. Quickest way, if you've got a business page already, is to start typing in the name of the business page exactly as it appears. Whoops. And there we are, and it auto-fills. So if you see, I started typing in Social Media Hangouts, and there it is, Social Media Hangouts Modern Marketing Club. I'm going to click on Save Changes. So that's now added that there. If I go back to my timeline, you can see that's now added Social Media Hangouts as a direct link to that business page. And I've also got Modern Marketing Spark, so you can link to more than one business page. I might even put the Modern Marketing Club Facebook page in there as well, but obviously you don't want too many. But anyway, that's how you link your personal profile on Facebook to your business page. So have a go, and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Okay, bye.